The number of times that I've been in the back of a clinic and I hear a patient leave the exam room and just go, I am so confused.
My name's Collin Hart.
And I'm VanderWeele with Eckert Wordell. Today we'll cover what you should be thinking about when designing healthcare facilities.
In this video, we'll talk about the common mistakes that are made during medical office build-outs. So Jared, what do people get wrong when they're embarking on the process of designing a new building?
Oh man, I don't want to pick at all the little things, but let's talk about the biggest opportunities for good design to really enhance the space and what you can do with it.
Please, yeah.
I was thinking on my walk over to meet you that you and I probably walk at what do you think, 3-4 miles an hour? And I'm serious. And
yeah.
the common, the healthcare client, they're walking or the patient, I should say. The healthcare patient is like a tenth of that.
Sure.
And so patient wayfinding, easy circulation is key to just an easy journey, a calming journey, and trying to keep that patient only moving kind of one segment at a time as they go through their process.
Not through a maze
of
a facility.
You've been through them. They can be rough.
Yeah. So one of the biggest mistakes or opportunities I hear is that there should be a good flow, a good patient flow specifically, right?
An intuitive flow. The number of times that I've been in the back of a clinic and I hear a patient leave the exam room and just go, I am so confused, I don't know where to go. Anxiety's high, blood pressure's high. And then that scribe or tech needs to walk them all the way back, taking away from other patient care and impacting your volumes.
Right. And so that probably relates to people designing for the future as well, would you say? Like, what if somebody doesn't think about the future? Maybe they built for the size of practice they have today, but they're not thinking about adding 2, 3, 4 providers in the future. Do you ever encounter that?
I mean, you're nailing it right on the head.
Okay.
That the time we walk into a clinic and this new technology came out, and so we stick it in this room. And then this one came out, so we stick it in that room. And then we've hired another doctor, so we booted the phone center and we stuck them over there.
Right.
You get this hodgepodge, and it's all just accommodating with what you have quickly, but a little forethought can go a long way.
Yeah, makes sense. And let's talk about just code and how that plays into the design process. Are you thinking in the future about code as it changes, maybe specific to surgery centers? Is that a consideration as you're going through a design process?
Any surgical environment, the codes are key to the success of that. And once they're established, you're kind of locked into that version of the code. And coming back and trying to renovate later can really cause a headache trying to upgrade to current codes. So you want to get them right, you want to stick to that initial plan in your surgical environment.
So can we talk about codes as relates to expanding in the surgery center, or what do the current codes mean for the future? How can you plan for code changes?
That is an excellent question, because oftentimes that surgery center becomes a bottleneck in the practice, and the practice is the ability to grow. And what we've found is that key questions to ask are, what code was it built to? Because expanding or renovating that center can trigger unintended consequences, unnecessary design things that we still have to do anyways to achieve that growth.
Makes sense. So, hey, even if you build to current code, codes change. If you do an expansion of your facility, you may have to upgrade the facility.
Exactly right.
Yeah, okay. Well, Jared, thanks so much for your time today.
Oh, glad.